everybody, this is Lindy Bowler with Remax House of Real Estate and the Dione Irwin team. Your home sold guaranteed or we will buy it. And today I wanted to give you a tour of one of our new listings in Baysprings. This is an attached condo, part of a fourplex, and I am at 2461 Baysprings Link. This is unit 1704, and the unit is 876 square feet. And it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And so I'm gonna give you a little tour, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It has very reasonable condo fees. They're $276 a month, but that includes your heat, water, and sewer. And in addition to that, this unit comes with 2 outdoor parking stalls. One is titled to the unit, and they both have plug-ins. And I also wanted to mention that furry friends are allowed in this condo complex with board approval. So those of you with pets who might not be able to look at other properties, you should definitely consider this one. This is the lowest priced attached 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in all of Airdrie. And the hot price is $199,900. So now I'm just gonna sneak around here and grab the camera so I can give you a tour. So I guess we'll start off in the kitchen. I was just sitting at the dining table. You can see it's an open concept unit with vinyl plank flooring. And this kitchen has a corner pantry. There's plenty of cupboard and counter space. We've got stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops, really nice contemporary colors in here. We have 9-foot ceilings. Go to the living area here. Nice big windows. You can see there's a large sectional sofa. Heading towards the entranceway, there's a closet for storage and hooks. And then we will swing back around and give you a view of that dining table that I was sitting at. It's got lots of space for a large dining table. You could fit a buffet and other furniture in here. Now I'll show you the bedrooms. I mentioned it is 2 bedrooms and they're both a really good size. Give you a tour of the first bedroom. There's carpet flooring in the bedrooms. Again, nice big windows. This one's an adorable kids' room. And I will show you the main bath, which is a tub shower combo, and there's granite countertops in the bathroom. There's some more storage in there as well. And I would like to point out that the unit has in-suite a laundry. There's a full-size stacking washer dryer. And we'll finish off with the master bedroom. And attached to the master bedroom, we have an ensuite with a stand-up shower, granite counter again, and at the back a really large walk-in closet. And if you're not familiar with Baysprings, there's plenty of parks and pathways. And if you'd like to set up a showing, please comment, and we would love to do that for you. Thanks, everyone.